You are finally tired of the blackouts, so you decide it's time to buy an inverter. You save for months, maybe even borrow money. You walk into a store ready to spend hundreds of thousands of naira. Then the salesperson starts talking pure sine wave, modified sine wave, lithium battery, tubular battery, 3.5 kVA, 5 kVA. What if you buy the wrong one? What if it doesn't power what you need? What if the batteries die after 1 year? What if you spend all that money and you are still sitting in darkness? If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Thousands of Nigerians have made expensive mistakes simply because they didn't know what they actually needed. Before you buy an inverter, there are 7 things you should understand. They could save you a lot of money, frustration, and regret. One of the biggest mistakes people make is buying an inverter that is either too small or much bigger than necessary. Ask yourself one simple question: what exactly do I want to keep running during a blackout? Is it your refrigerator, a few lights, your television, your fan, your Wi-Fi router, or are you expecting it to power 2 air conditioners, a pumping machine, an electric cooker, and the entire house? Many people overspend because they buy based on what their neighbor owns instead of what their own family actually needs. Here is something many first-time buyers don't realize. The inverter is only part of the system. The batteries do the main work. A cheap battery may look like a bargain today, but replacing it after a short time can cost far more than buying a quality one from the start. Always think beyond today's price. Think about how long the batteries will last, how easy they are to maintain, and how much they will cost to replace later. Many Nigerians assume solar is only for wealthy people. That is no longer true. Even one modest solar setup can charge your batteries during the day and reduce how often you need your generator. Instead of spending money on petrol every week, you are using the sunlight that's already falling on your roof for free. Over time, those savings add up. No single solution is perfect. Generators need fuel. Solar depends on sunshine. Batteries eventually run down. The smartest homes combine them. Maybe solar charges your batteries during the day. The inverters power your essentials at night. The generator only comes on when absolutely necessary. Each system supports the others, making your home far more reliable. Power outages are not the only problem. Power surges can be just as dangerous. One sudden voltage spike
Shut it all down!
can destroy a television, refrigerator, computer, or freezer in seconds. A surge protector is one of the cheapest ways to protect expensive electronics. It costs far less than replacing damaged appliances. The less electricity your home uses, the longer every backup system lasts. Replace old bulbs with LEDs. Choose energy efficient fans. Buy appliances that consume less power whenever possible. Small changes can give you extra hours of backup without buying bigger batteries. Many buyers focus only on the price tag, but owning an inverter comes with ongoing costs: battery replacement, maintenance, occasional repairs. If you add solar, you'll also need proper installation. Planning for these expenses now prevents unpleasant surprises later. A backup system should give you peace of mind, not become another financial burden. The truth is, buying an inverter isn't really about buying a box with wires. It's about protecting your life from constant interruptions. Your food shouldn't spoil because electricity disappeared. Your children shouldn't miss online classes. Your business shouldn't stop because your laptop went off. You shouldn't lose customers because internet died. And you shouldn't have to live every day wondering when the next blackout will happen. The best backup system isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that's designed around your family's real needs, your daily routine, and your budget. Take your time, ask questions, compare your options, think long term. A smart decision today can save you years of frustration and hundreds of thousands of naira in unnecessary expenses. If this video helped you avoid an expensive mistake, give it a like. Subscribe for more practical tips that make everyday life in Nigeria easier, and share it with someone who is about to buy an inverter. It might save them from making a decision they will regret.